So guys, guess what? I ordered another human hair bone straight. This time around, I bought 2x6. I don't want stress of installing hair up and down. So I bought a 2x6, 8 inches, just short. This is summertime, something that I can easily wear that will not disturb my life. So, hey God, see hair now. See human hair now. Oh, see human hair now. I think this is the smallest package I'm unboxing ever since I started China importation. I think so. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this package just arrived from China to the UK. And now let's do the unboxing together as usual so that you guys can see what I ordered. So I just got some personal things for myself. And guess what? I just finished making my hair by myself. I'm the one that's been making my hair by myself in this UK since I got here. See, I just finished making it now. And then we gotta start this one. So this package was delivered yesterday by Royal Mail. So I was feeling sleepy yesterday, but I already did the tracking and I knew they were going to deliver it. So I was feeling sleepy, but in my head I was like, I'm going to use one part to be sleeping and use one part to be awake so that when they ring the bell, I'll be able to quickly come and collect my package. Yeah, so you know, it was the time when sleep was entering. That was when they rang the bell. I knew they were the one. I said, yeah, my China package is here. So I quickly ran downstairs to pick it up. And now, yesterday I was so tired. I was so tired. I couldn't do the unboxing. So I said, let me leave it for today. Okay. Man, the way they package. Don't give him. You already finished his own. The way they package their things from China, that they try, and especially this my Chinese forwarder. The guy is good at packaging. See, he's very good at packaging. He always makes sure he puts extra nylon, you know, to. Okay, so let's get started. Let me move the camera closer. Yeah, Michael, see your Crocs. So I got some. This Crocs, the quality is good. So I got some Crocs for my son. You know, we are in summer now, so they need something they can be wearing just around if they want to go out. Do you like it? Yeah. You want to wear it? Yours is here. Calm down. Okay. So let me check. Which one? Where is yours? Okay, I think this is yours. Okay, I bought white. I bought color white for Anels. Yeah, put it. Oh, it's so perfect on my son. And the quality is good. I need a razor blade to cut this one. The things are not much, so the video is not going to be long. I'm expecting more packages, like some things I bought for business. Yes, I want to start a business in the UK. I want to start selling on eBay, Etsy, and TikTok shop. I've opened my TikTok shop. So this is my daughter's own, size 32 to 33. The quality is so good. My Anna, say your own. So I bought color. What was this? I see something there. I bought color white for you. Come and take. Okay, not tell mommy thank you. You like it? She likes it. I don't know what this is. You see the way this guy packaged this thing. He put this my Chinese forwarder is the best. You see the way he packaged it. If you guys notice, it's fine. It's fine. If you guys noticed, I removed this from inside my daughter's Crocs. The guy packaged. Oh no, that guy is good. If you guys need the contacts, if you are in China, if you are in the UK, Canada, Italy, anywhere in the Europe, even the US, Netherlands, wherever you are, if you want to start buying from um, China to your destination, to your country, just drop comment or just send me a DM on Instagram, and then I'll send you the number. I've given a lot of people the number. Some people were like, I thought you were going to charge to give the contact. I say, why? Why should I charge to give a contact of somebody who sent? Nah, I don't think that was right. Okay, guys, this is melting spray. So I bought some hair products to be installing my human hair wigs. You know, in this UK, you gotta learn how to do things yourself. So this is a melting spray. Okay, can you see it? So I got the company's name, that is the brand name, is Lux Shining. So this is a melting spray, natural, fast dry, invisible, extreme old. So to melt the lace wig. So I got a lot. So I also got Crocs for myself. Okay, this is my own Croc. So these ones are for me. Just simple color. It didn't have anything special, right? But the quality is very, very good. See, very thick. See the back? Can you see the back? See, very, very thick. So this one is for mommy. Mike, Anna, see mine. This is my mommy's own. Yes, I'll wear it to fit me. Don't worry. Okay, let's continue. So I got no. This is mine. So I got some silky night wears. This one is 4-in-1. This is a 4-in-1 night wear. Go and sit down, please. What did you put on your face like this? Please go and sit down. So this one is nightwear, 4-in-1. So it has a gown. This is the gown. You know, this is summer, so I needed to buy something that I can easily wear to bed, you know. So very silky, very good quality. So this is the top, the spaghetti for the shorts, knicker. So it came with this one. This one is to package it in case you want to sell it or something. And this is the robe, the long robe. See it. So if I want to go outside, I can just wear it just like this. Just like this. Can you see? Okay, so it's good, right? Okay. Next. Next. Okay, these are some other hair products. So I need, where is that razor blade, please? These are some other hair products that I bought. See, you know that China importation, it's too sweet. You don't need to bother yourself, stress yourself looking for stuffs. Okay, these ones are also for installation of human hair wigs. So this one is lace glue remover. Can you see it? Lace glue remover. So to easily remove your lace after you install it. It's also from the same company, from the same brand, Lux. Can you see it? Lux. So they're very, very affordable. I bought them 3 RMB. This one is a lace glue. This is a lace glue. So if you are looking for all these things, you know, if you are outside, you are abroad, you are in the UK, Italy, any other place you are, these things, they are not things that you can easily get. Even if you see them, they are expensive. So you can easily get them from China. The shipping is not much. So it's also from the same brand, Lux Shining. That's the name. So there is more from the same. This one is a Lux Shining Black Castor Oil. This is edge control. So it's from the same company, Lux Shining. That's the name, edge control. Can you see it? It's a good brand. See, can you see? Let me use it to control my hair already. My edges. Oh, this is nice. You see? It's not like those ones that used to make somebody to have white. This one is Oh my God, it's smelling like honey. Castor oil. Wow, this is good. It smells like honey. Oh my, something is missing. These things are not complete. I ordered I think I ordered something else. Braid, something for making braids. It's missing. It's not here. It's not here. I need to check with them. I need to check. So guys, guess what? I ordered another my hair bone straight. This time around, I bought 2x6. I don't want stress of installing hair up and down. So I bought a 2x6, 8 inches, just short. This is summertime, something that I can easily wear that will not disturb my life. So, hey God, see hair now. See you my hair now. Something is missing. Something is missing in this product. I'll check again. Oh, see you my hair now. Hey. Who is your China importer that buys directly from the factory? So this hair is direct from the factory. See, they see hair. They see hair. Should I move it closer? They see quality. So remember the unboxing I did, the first unboxing I did that I ordered from China to the UK. It's the same supplier I bought all this one from. Oh my God. So if you need the supplier contact, I'm going to leave a link in my description. So if you also need the supplier contact for all these hold on. If you also need the supplier contact for all these hair products, I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can get it on seller store. So you just pay a small amount of money, then you get the contact. Everything has been put in a PDF file, so you can just easily click on the link and it will take you very easily to take you straight to their store to get it. So this is so nice. Oh my God. This hair is quality, guys. Guys, check this out. Check this out. Gosh. Good quality, guys. Okay. Let me wait. Oh my God. This is so perfect. This is so perfect, guys. Can you see it? Like, it's so tight. 8 inches. 8 inches. I beg, let me remove these glasses. I don't know where I wear the glasses. Guys, 8 inches. Hey! See as the thing, they so later now they will buy, they will say that it's Vietnam hair. They will say it's Vietnam hair. See hair now. They will say it's Vietnam hair. They will say you should come and pay plenty money. By the time I stretch it now, you know it was packaged and the thing don't rough small. By the time I stretch it, oh my God, see the way it's bouncing. See 8 inches. This is beautiful, guys. Oh my God, I'm going to wear it in my next video. If you want to start a business and you want to buy directly from the factory, see, you can get this supplier contact. Like, the direct link is also in the description. So just click on it. It will take you to seller website to get the link, to purchase the link. It is a direct factory. If you have any particular type of hair that you want them to make for you, they can actually do it for you. So you see the quality of the hair, right? See the way it's bouncing. See it. So it's a good hair. See the one I have here. This one I bought it in Nigeria, Vietnam. Can you tell me what's the difference now? This one I bought in Nigeria, Vietnam hair. This is the one I bought in Nigeria, Vietnam hair, and this is one is China. You see, bone straight. You see it. By the time I stretch it now, you're gonna say, the hair fine. Don't worry, I'll wear it in my next video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Watch out for my next video. I'm coming with a banger content for China importation. So like I said earlier, if you need the links, the direct links that will make it easier for you to purchase from the exact store, like supplier that I bought all these from. So I'm going to be leaving the link to the store where you will get it in the description below. If you are seeing me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn more about China importation, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, subscribe, like, share, drop comments. If you have anything to say to me, have any question to ask me, drop it in the comments section. See my hair. See you in my next video. Bye bye.